Hi, I'm Tess Salter.
And I'm Casey Sternsmith. Welcome to 803 North Humboldt, Unit 307 in the beautiful Woodlake community. Wonderful natural light fill this spacious one-bedroom Woodlake condo. Open and airy with a large living room that opens onto a private patio deck with views of trees and the internal courtyard. Located on the third floor, you have the ideal exposure. This unit is both updated and move-in ready. The kitchen enjoys a stainless steel refrigerator, quartz countertops, and a chic designer-colored cabinets. The bathroom has been completely updated with top features to enjoy this private oasis. Woodlake is a resort-style community with 6 pools, 4 lighted tennis courts, a large fully equipped gym, clubhouse, lush landscaping including a large lawn with walking paths. You will always be on vacation at Woodlake. Great location close to everything, including downtown Burlingame, Coyote Point, SFO, and Caltrain. Thinking of buying or selling? You have but one phone call. The Sternsmith Group. Your realtor matters. Experience the difference.